Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, let's lay a strong foundation. Begin by thoroughly understanding your course syllabus and learning objectives. This provides a clear roadmap for your learning journey. Next, break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the workload feel less daunting and helps you track progress. Finally, schedule dedicated study blocks, aiming for at least 2 hours per subject to ensure deep engagement. Now, let's dive into active learning strategies that truly make a difference. Instead of passively reading, engage with the material through active recall and self-quizzing. This strengthens memory retention significantly. After each study session, summarize key concepts in your own words. This ensures you've grasped the core ideas. A powerful technique is to teach the material to someone else, as explaining it solidifies your own understanding. Your study environment plays a crucial role in effectiveness. First, create a quiet, organized space free from distractions. A clutter-free area promotes a clutter-free mind. Next, minimize digital interruptions by turning off notifications on your phone and computer. This helps maintain deep concentration. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh and focused. Finally, let's talk about review and retention, which are vital for lasting knowledge. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals for long-term memory retention. Regularly review past material to reinforce learning and prevent forgetting. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from professors or peers. Their insights can help identify areas for improvement and refine your understanding, ensuring you're truly mastering the subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.